Tango app not showing in App Store. So if you want to fix Tango app not showing in App Store problem, then Tango is a live streaming app where people can go live, chat, and even earn gifts or money from fans. So what you need to do is open up your App Store, go with search, and search for Tango. It's pretty popular in some countries, but sometimes it randomly disappears from the App Store depending on your location or your device settings. If it's not showing up, the most common reason is region restrictions. That means Tango might not be available in your country anymore, or the version of the app store you're using doesn't support it. To check, you can go to your phone settings and see what country your app store is set to. If it's not a region where Tango is available, you probably won't see it. You can also try searching for it on Google while using your browser and see if it takes you directly to the app link. So go and search for Tango app. Once you find it, as you can see that it's available on Google Play, but it's not available on App Store. If it still won't show, then the app might have been removed or banned in your region for now. You can try again later or look for similar apps that are still available, or you can download an APK in your browser. Hope this helps. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.